In today's video, I'm sharing with you the top Amazon products that are worth picking up. This is the only trivet you're going to need. This is magnetic, so it's going to stick to the bottom of all your pans. These are perfect for cast iron or Dutch oven. Just place it on there and then it's magnetic. It's also great when I'm done cooking. I just pop it on and I can take it anywhere. Now, if I find a good basic, I have to let you guys know. This one, I definitely think you need to pick up. This is a 6-pack of t-shirts that I recently bought off of Amazon. So you're gonna get all 6 of these. These are perfect to wear with so many of our outfits. You can put them on with jeans, you can put them on with your favorite pair of shorts. In the winter, we can even wear these under our cardigans. They're just a great basic set. Now, I usually wear between a medium and a large. I did size up to a large, so they're a little bit roomier. If you're wanting them to be a little bit fitted, you could always size down. Now, if you're needing some cute shorts under $10, I really like these. I bought these last year in red, but they didn't have the ruffles at the bottom. This year they came out with the ruffles, so I decided to order these pink and white gingham ones. Super cute. They do have pockets. Now, what should you wear up top? I love wearing this like oversized white tee. This is one of my favorites. I have it in red. I also have it in gray, but it's just the perfect top to wear this time of year. I'm really excited because I just bought some new Amazon home decor, so we're gonna open it up and see what it looks like. Now, this first one is a vase that I got. Okay, this is a floral vase. Now, these stems I have in my Walmart vase. These are actually Amazon stems, but I feel like they're gonna look perfect in this floral vase. So I took the bend out, so I'm gonna put them in straight, but if we feel like we need to bend them, we can always take them out and redo them. Now, I also ordered a lamp. I'm really excited about this. I'm hoping that I like the color. Okay, so this was the main reason I got it. I love the little scallop trim around the lampshade. So I think that's a really pretty green. Let's put it all together and style it. So this light is a touch light, and it's also magnetic, so it's going to fit down in here on the lampshade. Isn't that cool? And it has all of these different settings. You just touch it to go to the different light settings. Now, if you're looking for any of the products in today's video, let me show you how you can find them. So if you go to my description box and hit the more button, my description box will drop down. You will see links to every product that I'm sharing with you today. So you can click on it and it will take you to the product. Or if you're watching me on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone and that will take you to the products as well. Now, do we need this chip clip? Probably not, but it's absolutely adorable. So there are 5 little chip clips on one magnet. So the center portion is a magnet. You just stick this on your fridge and then you put all the clips around the edges, and then you can use these anytime you need a chip clip. They look absolutely adorable on your fridge. I found the most unique stone light. Now, this looks just like decor, but it's actually a touch light. It's a heavy duty marble stone, and to use the light, you just touch the top. I feel like this looks gorgeous in so many different home decor groupings. Now, if you don't like the color of stone that I got, it does come in some other stone colors. I found a way to stop wasting food with the Splatipus. My regular spoon just wasn't cutting it. It's designed to help you easily scrape the bottom and sides of your jar. I had to show you guys my new set that I just got on Amazon. Now, I have this set in white and purple, and when I saw this green and blue, I definitely needed to pick it up. So it is a pair of shorts. They are super comfortable. They have pockets. Then you have this oversized like half zip shirt, and it does have pockets as well. So you could wear it like this, but the way I like to wear it is just by tucking it in the front a little bit. I kind of have to like move it around to make sure the stripes look good, but I just love this set. It's perfect for this time of year. All of my jewelry is from Amazon. This necklace is an initial necklace, so you get 2 necklaces and you can pick out your letter. Also, I'm wearing one of my favorite rings. I've had this now for several months, but it's a great statement ring. I suggest getting it for your middle finger. I feel like it looks so gorgeous on your middle finger. One of my favorites. Now, recently I also picked up a new jewelry stack. I have been wearing these 2 earrings for like 3 weeks. I I've slept in them, I've showered in them, and I love that they're the huggy style. So when you're sleeping in these earrings, they don't hurt. I can't sleep with the ones that have the backings in them, but these I can just keep in and I don't have to put in new earrings every day. Now these slides, I have these, my girls have them. They are my favorite shoe to just throw on in the summer. These are a dupe for a higher end option, but on Amazon, they're a fraction of the price. Walmart just dropped a new clothing and shoe line. I can't wait to show you. Okay, first off, starting off strong, I got some of the new red, white, and blue items. I found this dress from Free Assembly. I can't wait to show it to you. Okay, I also picked up this adorable sweatshirt, perfect for the holidays. I love that it's a little bit cropped. Now, the thing I'm most excited about that I know is going to sell out is this windbreaker. So cute. It's lightweight, so it's gonna be perfect for the hot months, and it has matching shorts. I picked up 2 jean short options. These I hope are gonna be cute. I love the dark wash on these. Now I have no idea how these are gonna look on my body. They're like almost elastic up here, so these will be interesting. More red, white, and blue items. I bought this Free Assembly top. I really liked this striped top from Time and True. I got it in a medium. So I also bought these shorts, which I'm not sure what I was planning on wearing these with. These are like a navy blue short. They look a little long. We'll try them. I also picked up 2 pairs of shoes. Now these I think are gonna be so cute for the summer. These are a little white sandal with little seashells on them. How cute are these? I cannot wait to wear these. I feel like these are gonna sell out quickly. I love the light pink color, and they almost have like this great shell detail. These look way more expensive than they are. A few months ago, I showed you guys the Lifelines dot-to-dot coloring that I was really enjoying. They're great because they come with all the markers you need, and it's not super difficult, and it's a fun way to relax at the end of the day. They reached out to me and they sent me their newest Lifelines book. So I wanted to show them to you guys. Now they're all a little bit different. This one is their Trace by Groove. So you're actually going to like use the grooves in order to kind of make your lines. The other one they sent me is their Trace by Line. So I'm assuming you just draw straight lines. I'm excited to try this one. And this one is Trace by Doodle. Now these are brand new, so we're going to try to link them for you down below. I want to try the Trace by Lines. Now, one of my favorite things is that the markers you can just pull off, and then when you're done, you just reattach them. So all the lines look different up here. So you're gonna determine which line you want in which color, and then you'll just follow the lines on your design. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the question of the day: do you prefer faux or real plants? If you feel like you need to refresh or deodorize your washing machine, you may want to consider getting these washing machine cleaner tablets. Now to use these, you just throw them into your washer, run it on a normal cycle, and it will leave your machine smelling fresh and new. You guys know that I love a set, and this blue one is one of my favorites. It's pretty lightweight, so perfect this time of year. It's got the long sleeves, I love the V-neck, and it has the most comfortable shorts. So you could get this in other colors, but I think the royal blue is really pretty. I recently ordered this red romper and it's gorgeous. It's a one piece, but it does have a flap in the back, so you can use the restroom without having to take the whole entire piece off. I decided to go with the bright red, but it does have some more neutral colors as well. Now, if you're like me and you like faux plants from Amazon, it can be really intimidating when you start searching for them on Amazon's site. So I put together some of my top favorite ones. These are ones that I've picked up, I've been using, and I absolutely love them. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I change out my front porch pretty frequently. And I have to tell you, every day when I drive up, I absolutely love the way my porch is looking. It looks so pretty. And I use 3 faux plants from Amazon. So the first one I got are these olive trees, and they are gorgeous. They come in a pack of 2, and I feel like they really just set the tone for my whole front porch. I also wanted to add in a little bit of color, so I found these white hydrangeas. Again, these come in a pack of 2. I think all of these come in a pack of 2. I just put these in some planters that I got inexpensively from Walmart. I'll link those for you down below, and those look great. I like doing 3 pots on either side. I bought these bushes about 2 years years ago, and you can see they still look amazing. So I put those in a smaller pot, but I just love the way this whole front porch looks. Now these white peonies I think are absolutely gorgeous. I've used them in two different ways in my house. Originally, I put them in a long planter that I painted some fun, vibrant colors. I folded the stems and put them in a foam block. I used a little bit of hot glue to hold them in place. They were a lot more spread out, and then I covered the foam with some moss. Love the way these look. Now another way you could use these is just using them with a vase. I put them in a vase that I got from Walmart. I recently went to Walmart and they have so many great home finds. If you're looking for any of my latest Walmart finds, I'll put the QR code right here. You can scan it with your phone and it will take you to all of those. But this vase is gorgeous. So start by putting a little bit of moss at the bottom. This is going to keep you from having to cut your stems because these stems are a little bit longer. I did have to fold them up and I placed them inside, but this is just another way you could style these faux florals. I picked up this gorgeous vase from Walmart. I loved the neutral colors of it, so I needed some creamy khaki color florals. I found these off of Amazon. Super easy, I just put them inside, and these have been sitting out in my kitchen now for a month. Let's say you have a planter and you're wanting to put some colorful flowers in there. Well, I had this black planter, so what I did was I got some pool noodles and I cut the pool noodles into fours. I placed them into my black planter. I filled it with 2 sets of these white florals. So they come in a pack of 12. So for this larger planter, I needed 24, and I just placed them inside, and it gives you a little bit of color outside. If you want to scroll through all of my faux plants, I'm going to put a QR code right here. It says outdoor plants. Use your phone to scan it and it will take you to all of my favorite plants. I love ordering my sunglasses off of Amazon because they're super affordable and you can find some really cute ones. So these came in a 2-pack and I absolutely love them. I think I like the tortoiseshell ones better than the black ones. I keep these in my car. They're very lightweight, so they don't make marks on the bridge of my nose. That's like one of my biggest pet peeves. Let me show you what the black ones look like as well. These are adorable as well. So you're gonna get both in the pack. Swimsuits are one of those items that are really hard to buy, especially online. So I always appreciate when somebody recommends an item they've picked up and liked. This blue swimsuit I got last year and I really like it. Honestly, I'm thinking about getting it in other colors. I love that it has the strings on the side so you can adjust the sides of it. It also has the tummy control and it's just very flattering. This striped tank comes in a variety of colors and it's perfect this time of year. Now, if you're looking for any of the items I'm showing you in today's video, I'm gonna put a QR code right here. You can scan that QR code and it will take you directly to these items. I was able to throw away my bulky juicers because this little gadget works so well. This measuring cup makes baking so much easier. Now, I always try to recommend some of my top crafting supplies to you guys that I have used for years. One item that I recently just repurchased, and I was like, I gotta remember to tell you about these, are my Gorilla glue sticks. If you are looking for the best glue sticks, these are the ones I want you to use. They are for a full-size glue gun. They are longer, but they just hold so much better than a typical glue stick. You can get them on Amazon, I'll link them for you, or you can also buy them at Walmart if you'd rather buy them in store. These box cutters are great for opening all of your Amazon packages. I love that it comes in a pack of 3 so you can put them in different areas of your home. I bought this gray microfiber mat to put by my back door where Moose goes in and out of. I love that it's gray and I love that he can wipe his feet on there before entering the house. With the dark color, it's perfect to wash it and reuse it. I have washed this mat so many times and it still looks amazing. You could also use this mat in any of your bathrooms. Each month, I love sharing with you the top Amazon items that I am using and loving, and I'm always curious to know the items that you guys like. So I put together the top 15 products that you guys loved and were purchasing last month, and I want to share them with you. So this black set, it's a tank and pants, was one of our top sellers, so I ended up buying it in brown as well. Now, if you don't want to wear a tank, you can always throw on a jean jacket. In this IKEA video I was filming, I put on my favorite jean jacket. You guys, this is from Amazon and I wear it all the time. You guys are probably sick of seeing it in some of my YouTube videos, but I will link that for you down below as well. And don't forget, if you're looking for any of the products in today's video, you can scan the QR code and it will take you directly there. Our second top seller is another black set. This one is a t-shirt and it has matching pants. Super cute. Number 3 is the Work Pro scrapers. You guys have seen me use these in all of my DIY videos. They're great for scraping off those pesky labels that just will not get off of our items. They come with plastic scrapers, so they're not going to ruin your countertops or anything you want to scrape. And you get 3 in a pack, so you can use them in different rooms in your house. And they come with over 100 refill blades. Now, the lipstick I've been using for over 5 years is the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon. This was one of our top sellers. I have told you guys some of my favorite colors that I like. I love Lead the Way, and I also like Trust Your Gut. Number 5 is the dupe that I found for the Adidas track pants. I have the Adidas track pants and they're very cute, but this pair is just as good. They look very similar, super comfortable, and great to wear for a weekend. Now, when it gets warm out, you may want to consider getting this set. This is number 6. Now, I have it in red. I really should get it in another color. It's just a super cute pair of shorts and a matching top. Last month, I found this cute portable charger that you can attach to your bag. I love that it comes in so many different colors, and it has the USB-C and the lightning cable charger. So if you have different things you need to charge with different cables, you're gonna have it right there. You can also charge your Apple Watch or your AirPods in the center. How adorable is this belt bag? This is another one of our top sellers, perfect to wear with either one of those black sets. I think the outlet extender stick is going to be a bestseller every month. It's so cool. If you haven't seen it before, the way it works is you plug it into your regular outlet. Then the extender stick, you can swivel up and you can adjust the height behind something like your nightstand. Then once you have it the height you want, you can use command strips to stick it to the back of the wall. Why I love this is you have an outlet that you can plug things in and out of, and you don't have to lean down to get to the outlet. So this is great for your lamps. You can also charge things in here. I know I use my laptop in my bed, so I'm constantly plugging my laptop in here. This is one of my favorite Amazon gadgets. Now, if you're one of my crafting friends, you may want to consider getting these laser scissors. This is going to help us with cutting those straight lines. So it has a button on the scissors that you can turn the laser on that creates that straight line to help guide you as you're cutting out fabric or anything you're cutting. If you're tired of not being able to find your charging cord at night because it falls down on the ground, consider getting one of these cord holders. Mine are in gold, and you just stick them onto the edge of your nightstand. You unscrew them, put your cord in there, and screw the top on. Then your cord can stay in place. You can still move it through the cord holder to plug in your phone, but it's not going to fall on the floor, and you know exactly where your cord is at night. A lot of you are like me and you're trying to reduce your plastic use, so getting a titanium cutting board is a great option. It doesn't absorb liquids, so it helps to prevent bacteria buildup, and you can put it in the dishwasher to clean it. You guys have also been loving my wood tray. Now, this is a perfect tray to put out on your table, your coffee table, your countertop. You can put all your decor on there, and it just elevates the way your home decor looks. This is really the best foundation I have found in years. It's lightweight, but it also kind of color changes to match your skin. I feel like it blends into my skin so well that it just looks really like I'm not wearing anything. So it makes my skin look better without being cakey. There's 2 different colors you can get. There's a light and a medium. I actually ordered both because when I have more of a tan, I like the medium. When I don't have a tan, I like to use the light, but it's so lightweight. Now, if you do want to build it up, you definitely can, but I feel like this is gonna be like my go-to. I don't think I'm gonna be using anything else. Now, you guys love the diatomite stone as much as I do. You know I have so many different diatomite stone things. I have these coasters I use in the bathroom. I also have bath mats, my drying mat. I really have them all over my house. The latest item I showed you guys in my last video is the diatomite stone that I put around my sink. This is great because diatomite stone dries really quickly. So I have my hand soap on there, my sponges, and if they get wet, they're gonna dry in no time. Let me know down in the comments what you're gonna be picking up from Amazon. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.